Jai Hind. I am Harsit Kumar from Sunbeam School, Mughalsarai. I am here to tell you about drones. The, drones are unmanned aerial vehicles which can fly without no human on board. The popularity of drones are increasing day by day due to their various use. There are basically six types of drones. First one is single rotor drone, second multi-rotor drone, hexacopter, fixed wing drones, quadcopter and hybrid VTOL drones. Fixed wing drones and hybrid VTOL drones look same but they are different. Fixed wing drone need a runway like an aeroplane to take off, but hybrid VTOL drones can take off vertically. The full form of VTOL is vertical takeoff and landing drones. There are various uses of drones. Drones can be used in agriculture, for terrain mapping, livestock management, security, and delivery services. There are five market leaders in India of drone market. First one is One Martin Bay, second Astria Aerospace, third Arab Unmanned System, fourth Idea Forge, and fifth is Drone Tech Lab. There are five main rules we need to remember before purchasing a drone. First one is registration. We need to register any drone with camera and has the weight more than 250 grams. Drones less than 250 grams with camera or without camera don't need to be registered. Permit. We need a permit to use our drone for commercial purpose, like for videography and delivery purpose. Visual sight, visual line of sight. We should remember that where our drone is going and what we are monitoring with our drone. Altitude limit. In India, we cannot exceed the limit of 400 feet with any kind of drones. Import restriction. In India, the government has set some import restrictions to import a drone from India. We will attach the PDF file of drone rules in India in the video description. There are three zones to fly a drone. First one is green zone. We don't need any kind of permit to fly in green zone. For yellow zone, we need permit. And for red zone, we need a special permit. In the radius of 5 kilometers from an airport, we need a special permit to fly. In the radius of 8 kilometers, we also need a permit. And in radius of 12 kilometers, we don't need any permit to fly our drone at the maximum altitude of 200 feet. To register or get a drone license in India, you need to register your drone on the DGCA website, which is www.dgca.gov.in/dggov-portal. First, you need to register your drone on the DGCA website. Second, get a unique identification number of your drone. Third, obtain a permit from the Police Department of Telecom. And we need to undergo a practical exam to demonstrate our pilot skills. And after it, we will get our drone pilot certificate and our license to fly a drone. Thank you.